Good morning everyone. I'm glad to see all of you here. Today's meeting is about our electrical installation progress on our project site. And our main goal is to identify any issues when you guys were working and what's the next step we need to do after the first stage we have done. Before we begin, Aisha will read out the agenda today.
Thank you, Ms. Marcella. Here is today's meeting agenda. First, review of installation progress. Number 2, discussion of issues and challenges. Number 3, work schedule and next steps. 4, safety and quality control updates. Number any other matters. That's the agenda today.
Thank you, Aisha. Alright, let's start with the first point, the progress update. Sophia, can you share how wiring work is going so far?
Sure, Ms. Marcella. For the wiring work, we have completed around 80% of the first floor. The lighting and switch installation are almost done. We have also started testing the light in the corridor and office area. Working well so far. However, we still have some delay with socket installation because the new batch of PVC conduits hasn't arrived yet.
Good job handling it quickly. Now, Penny, please update us on the main distribution board and other installation works.
Okay. Our team has finished installing the main distribution board and all circuit breaker. We also conducted insulation resistor tests. All readings are within the safe range. We are preparing for the continuity test for each circuit. After that, we will start labeling and organizing all the cables for easier maintenance.
Excellent, Jenny. Make sure that labeling follow the standard color code and numbering system. It'll help during inspection. By the way, how's coordination between your team and Sophia's team? Any overlap in work areas?
So far, coordination is smooth. We always update to each other to avoid from working at the same zone. We also planning to do joint
testing?
joint testing next week for the first floor circuit.
That's a good teamwork. Keep it up. Now let's hear from Sabrina how safety and site conditions.
Safety on site is under control. All workers are using PPE such as helmet, glove, and safety shoes. I also checked the fire extinguisher locations and they are all properly placed. However, I noticed some loose cable near the staircase area yesterday. I already informed the team tie up the cables to prevent tripping hazard. Also, I think it would be helpful if we do a short safety briefing every morning before starting work.
That's a really good idea, Sabrina. Safety should always come first. Let's make a routine starting tomorrow. Aisha, please take note that daily morning safety briefing to be conducted by the site supervisor.
Yes, please.
Okay. Alright, now let's move on to the second agenda, issue and challenges. We already mentioned material delays, minus wiring issues. Does anyone have any other concerns?
Yes, Ms. Marcel. We found a voltage drop issue in one section of the main line. After checking, we discovered one of the terminal was not tightened properly. We will fix now, but I suggest we double check all connection to make sure everything is secure.
That's a really good observation there. That's important for preventing overheat or power loss. Please schedule recheck for all connection before the final testing. Sophia, anything from your sides?
Not much, Ms. Marcella. Just that our team is working overtime this week to catch up with the socket installation once the material arrives.
I see. I can see that we all have worked so much for this project, but please ensure everyone gets enough rest even with overtime. Safety and quality should not be compromised.
I agree. Fatigue can lead the mistake, so we should balance the workload.
Exactly. Thank you, Sabrina. Aisha, please include a reminder to monitor working hours and worker well-being in the minutes.
Okay, Miss Marcella.
Next, let's move on our third agenda, the work schedule and next steps. Aisha, please brief us on the update timelines.
Based on the project schedule, the second floor wiring will start next Monday. We plan to complete all wiring, lighting and socket installation by Thursday. Testing and final inspection will be on Friday. If there's no delay, we can move to the final phase of the installation next week, including load testing and documentation.
It's clear, everyone. Please make sure your team stay on track during our project site progress. And Sophia, please coordinate with Jenny for the load testing preparation. And almost forget, Sabrina, please ensure safety checks before testing begins.
Understood, Miss Marcel. I will prepare the testing and share it by Thursday.
Alright, I will handle safety inspection and prepare the safety compliance report.
I will make sure all the circuits are ready for testing.
Good. Perfect teamwork. Before we close, let's quickly go through our last agenda, other matters. Anyone wants to say something?
Yes, Miss Marcella. I just want to suggest that after completion, we take photo of each section for documentation. It will help during the final report submission.
Okay, that's a good suggestion. Please proceed with that, Sophia. Make sure each photo clearly shows the cable arrangement and labeling.
Alright, Miss.
Also, can we have a short internal review meeting after the final inspection, just to summarize lesson learned?
Absolutely, that's a great idea. We'll schedule it after inspection Friday. Please take note on that, Aisha.
Miss Marcella, I include it in our action plan.
Okay. Alright, everyone. I really appreciate your hard work for today. We've made a good progress and we're almost at our final stage. Let's continue to communicate actively and maintain quality safety standards. Thank you for your updates and ideas. Aisha, please prepare and share the meeting minutes by tomorrow. So you guys are dismissed now, and I will see you guys on the next meeting.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the